Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Klaiyi Hair once again. Got a branded drawstring bag and box. Everything is branded. Love getting the drawstring bags because it's a great storage. It's great storage for the wigs. So inside the package, I obviously got the wig and I got my goodies. So let's go ahead and get into them. So I got these two clips, perfect for using when you're styling your hair. And I got a bag of goodies, branded elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps, a set of press-on nails, and we got some lace tape for the wig if needs be, if you need to use it. Now this is today's wig, guys. So exciting. So what I have here is Klaiyi's double wear wig. What do I mean by that? They got a lace closure in the front and back, so it's bleached knots. It's a 4x4 lace. It has adjustable elastic band as I'm showing you, and for the lace here in the back, it's like a lace parting, as you can see, and it has combs in there. It also has drawstrings on the side where there's a curve for the ear, like for your ear portion. I'm showing you the curve, and it has a non-slip strip. So it's just so much going on with this wig, which is just beautiful to me because they are really integrating these wigs, okay? And as you can see, this is a reddish brown color. It's a water wave texture, and it is really nice and full. It's a decent standard feeling to the wig because as you can see, it's definitely processed, so it's on the coarser side. So I was showing you guys the drawstring there on the side, which you can use to adjust how tight you want your wig cap to be on your head. It's a medium cap, by the way, and I went into pulling it to the lace closure portion, and I'm showing you guys the amount of space you have to work with. As I said, it's a 4x4 lace closure space. The knots are already bleached, and Klaiyi, I feel like, has definitely upped their game with this. So it's giving it came with the side part and a maraket just like this. The lace is it's very nicely melted. It's glueless, as you can see, because this is like an ultimate wear and go wig, and I kind of fluffed the hair out and it looks so gorgeous. I didn't like press the top down with my hot comb or anything as yet, and it looks so good. So I just proceeded because, you know, I have a little OCD when it comes down to these laces sometimes, and so I went in with my face powder to just further camouflage the front there in case there's any cast whatsoever. And then I said, you know what, let me be very detailed, and I went in with my hot comb to get the top much flatter. Now I feel like a wig like this is super convenient. Like, you know, have a lot of money or you don't want to spend that much money on wigs, but you'd love to switch it up. A wig like this can help you to do so. It's like you get two different hairstyles, but just one wig. And even though it's not a lace front, it's just a closure wig. They put two different closures on one wig cap, which is just insane to me. It's amazing. Klaiyi really upped the game with this one. I've never tried a wig like this ever. Okay, they did their thing on this. I can't lie. They really did their thing on this, and it's just amazing. It's amazing, the direction, and you know that wig making is going into. It's just, oh my gosh, the amount of value you can get for your money is just great. I even went in with my concealer to further make that parting a little bit more visible. And that was pretty much a finished touch. I will show you guys that there's absolutely no adhesive on the lace. Yeah, very realistic looking. Gorgeous. Let me know what you think. And you can see I'm flipping it right here. So that part that I just finished, I literally switched the wig around, and now the back is in the front. Okay, and I'm just showing you again how you adjust the drawstring portion. Very easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. So we're gonna do the same thing as like what I just did. I got my wax and my hot comb to get it really nice and flat at the top. But yeah, like what? This is really, I highly recommend a wig like this. If you're looking for a little bit more value for your money, you want way more than just one style in one wig. You know, the unit, as you can see, came pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it's pre-bleached, you know, and it's perfect for a glueless install. It's a very affordable price. And as you can see, for the back closure, the lace part, it is a center part. So that's where you get a switch with the look of the wig. So I'm showing you guys a split screen where you see the 4x4 lace closure and then the lace part. So beautiful. So I actually switched it back around to the 4x4 lace closure portion, and I decided that okay, I'm gonna get it wet for you guys now so you see how it looks when you apply water to it, which we all know that's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, you guys know I love to get detail and show you guys everything. So yeah, that's it for today's dual wig from Klaiyi Hair. They did their thing. If you guys are interested in this wig, the link to it will be in my description box. All the information will also be listed down below. That's it for today's game changer wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.